Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic dynamics of fluid flow. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2014, set 1, mechanical, question number 34 for 2 marks, an ideal water jet with volume flow rate of 0.05 meter cube per second strikes a flat plate placed normal to its path and exerts a force of 1000 Newton. Considering density of water as 1000 kg per meter cube, find the diameter in mm of the water jet. Correct. So first of all, draw the diagram what exactly it is given in the question. So we are having a vertical plate like this, and water jet is coming from a nozzle. So this is the nozzle. So water jet is coming from the nozzle, and this is the diameter. Jet diameter is d. D is the jet diameter, and v is the velocity with which the water jet is coming. And this is the flow direction. Definitely, this is the flow direction. Given data is jet, an ideal water jet with volume flow rate given Q is equal to 0.05 meter cube per second and exerts a force of 1000 Newton. Force is given 1000 Newton. Density is 1000 kg per meter cube. Question is find the diameter in mm of the water jet. So we know this formula. So force equal to mass into acceleration from the basic, and we can write mass into acceleration is velocity by time, and we can write m by t into v, and m by t is a mass flow rate into velocity, and mass flow rate is rho a v into v. So finally we are getting F is equal to rho a v square. So now we can put the value. Force is 1000 Newton equal to density 1000 kg per meter cube into area, and velocity is discharged by area, so q square by a square. This 1000 gets cancelled, and this area also gets cancelled here. What is remaining? A is equal to q square, and area is pi by 4 d square, because jet diameter we have to find. So pi by 4 d square equal to q square. Q is given the question 0.05 whole square. So from this equation, definitely you can find the value of d diameter. First d will come in meter. After converting, it will be coming 56.4 mm. Correct. So this is the correct answer. 56.4 mm diameter value. Okay. Thank you.